Girls, stay tuned for this video. I am going to review this awesome device that will take place of derma roller. It is the Nano Micro Needling Pen, and you're going to like it. The results are incredible. It won't micro tear the skin and destroy collagen. And so stay tuned, and I will see you in a few minutes. My lovely friends, Clarissa here again, and sending my love and gratitude to all of you. I thank you for your great support and your loving comments. And so this video, it's going to be about a device that will help to repair the outer layer of the skin. And so it is a device, and also it is skincare. And so it was sent to me, so I wanted to share it with you guys. For the ones don't know me, I specialize in anti-aging dermatology and natural prevention medicine. And so girls, don't forget to subscribe and share my videos and like my videos, and welcome new subscribers. Thank you so much. I noticed I had reached 13,000 subscribers, and thank you so much for your support. And so let's start the video. The company name is called Deminuage. So this is the kit that comes with the device, which it is called the Nano-Pen, and comes in this box like this. And so let's see here. It has the device I'm going to show you, and so it comes in this velvet little pouch, and it's very small but very efficient. And so it comes with the AAA battery. So you unscrew this, and you place the battery right here. And in order to make the device work, you push any button. Very easy. Okay, so what I'm going to teach you here is about how the device work and the benefits. So but first I'm going to go through the booster NanoChips, which this one here is to be able to use 1 or 2 times weekly. So this is a little more aggressive, and it is disposable, very sanitary. So in the box comes about 5 of these little what are they called, NanoChips, that you screw in the end of the device, and then you will be able to exfoliate that top layer of the skin. So this is a more convenient way for microneedling, because it does not use harsh needles. What they use, it is silicone, microscopic silicone tip, and it's not visible on the naked eye. So it is very tiny, but it really does the job. And so I am going to explain also about the other nano chips, and this is kind of a bluish color, so you could distinguish. And comes the same thing, and sanitary packed, and they want to use it 1 or 2 times weekly. It's a clear nano chip, and the one that you use every day, it's a kind of a bluish aquamarine color. And so now also it comes with these little ampoules that I am going to show you. I didn't bring scissors, so I'll be right back. I wasn't prepared. I thought I was prepared, girls. Okay, I'll be right back. Here are the ampoules. This product, it's very efficient to treat the skin in order to make it brighter, and also treat pigmentation due to the ingredients that this product has. And the ingredients that I mentioned before, such as tranexamic acid and rice ferment extract, niacinamide, and also has hyaluronic acid. And niacinamide is, as you know, it's an anti-aging vitamin that helps with pigmentation, stimulation of collagen. The same thing, the rice ferment extract and the tranexamic acid as well, being an acid. So what you do is you break the ampoule here. Take this, so you break it, and then you're going to take one of these tips right here, these white tips, and what you're going to do is, once you break the ampoule, you just place it and then just apply it like that on your skin. So what I suggest is to apply it first in one area, to maintain the area kind of wet, so the device will slice nicely. Because if the skin is dry, the device will stop working. So so this is about the ampoules, but of course the company has more products, such as the face masks that you could apply after the treatment. And this device uses the QuickPore technology, which helps to easily create micro wounds, microspheres on the top layer of the skin. So the products that you use, your skincare routine will penetrate really nice, and it will help literally to repair the top layer that is exposed to so much stress, environment, fumes, chemicals, lights. And so so what I recommend is to use the ampoules to do the procedure, and then after you do your whole face, apply the actives, active ingredients such as peptides, vitamin C, retinol, what else? Collagen products, but make sure the collagen products have a technology that the molecular structure of the collagen has been reduced. Otherwise, it's not going to penetrate into the skin, because the molecular structure of the collagen is very large. So it's a kind of expensive technology to reduce the molecular structure of the collagen in a skincare, to properly, give the results. And so I am going to give the demonstration, and so it's going to be a quick demonstration, so you have an idea how to use it. And I will put the link in the description box. And I contacted the company to see if you could receive discount code, and so I have to you know, send the video after it's done, and they will give me a discount code for you. And so I think originally this is $369, but it's on sale for $169. So the Nano Micro Needling Pen, it's a wonderful tool to rejuvenate the outer layer of the skin, like I said, to repair. And also when you do the procedure and after it's all done, you apply your serums and creams. Those serums and creams are going to be penetrating faster into the skin, 20 times more faster. So it's gonna give a good boost in penetration of the ingredients of the products that you use. And also after 4 hours, you're going to see the difference on your skin after using this micro needle pen, and after you apply all your skin regimen. It really makes a big difference. It changes the performance of your skincare routine. So I wanted to mention this, and so go to the website and find out more information, and once I have the code, you could purchase this product. I removed my makeup the best I could, and I am going to proceed with the demonstration. And so I'll see you in the next clip. With this left side of my face, so I am going to start with this area right here. Okay, so I'm going to apply the serum that's already ready to use it on your skin. So I make this area hydrating and kind of wet, so the device will be able to function properly. Okay, so you turn on, and what you're going to do is 3 times in one area, no more than 3 times, and then you keep doing it, going up. Okay, so I'm going to stop and put more of the serum. I should have put it in a bigger area. Okay, so I am going to start putting here. So you apply the serum like in a stamping motion. And okay, so let's continue. Okay, so we're going to do the eye area, and the eye area we're going to do with the stamping motion as well, going like that, like this, like this. I show you. Okay, so okay, so let's do the forehead. I'm doing half of the face, and so that way you know how to do it, and I will proceed after off camera to do the rest of my face. Okay, Okay, girls, so this is the way how you use the nano microneedling pen. You can hardly feel anything. I feel a little tiny tingling, but not nothing extreme. So I like this device better than microneedling. The reason is because it doesn't tear the skin, because a lot of people don't know how to use the derma roller properly, so they micro tear the skin, which destroys the collagen. And this device does not do that. So they have another one, also the gold one, that has 3 options. I think it's a stronger one, and I think that one there is more expensive, but either one you could use it. So for the neck area, you go up, 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 up. Very easy. And then you apply your active ingredients, the serums that have the active ingredients, and the facial creams and the neck creams. And so I'll be back. I'm going to do the rest, and I will show you the results. Girls, I just finished doing the other side plus my neck area, and I do like the results very much. And my skin is a little red. I don't know if you can tell on camera, and very mild, not too red. And my neck area feels so good. And so I apply all my skincare, my serums with the active ingredients. I'm ready to go to bed. I am very, very happy with this. I'm not just exaggerating. And this is the last product I'm going to apply, and this is the Splash by Algenist. Algenist, you cannot go wrong with these products because they use also technology and the concentration of the algae, which helps to maintain the skin firm. I have the whole line, but I am going to do this before the video finish. Just spray a little bit. Wow. You don't need makeup with these, honestly. It feels really dewy and hydrating. Very, very nice. Well, I will see you in my next video, girls. Stay youthful, and remember, it is possible to slow down the aging process and look younger than your natural age. I will see you in my next video. Ciao. God bless you. Stay gorgeous. Bye-bye.